Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing a very trending game right now. My friend recommended me to play this. Shout out to him. Um, so yeah, let's play this game. It's called Lawn Mowing Simulator. This is a game where you spend your useless Robux on. But I have 1 Robux right now, which means I'm broke. Just like in real life. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? So my friend told me that you're supposed to mow like grass and like get money. So yeah, I guess to already. $100. Oh, I have some money to. Okay. It's I have 1,029, 1.29k. I guess that's how much money I have. Tire 6 required. Oh my god, this is like pretty boring if you don't have the infinite game pass or something. Cause like you could just mow and everything, but it grows back. I'm in the tree. My lawnmower was stuck in the tree. Stop talking. I know that. Oh my god, I'm glitching, dude. Help. Oh my. Stop. What the heck is going on? Okay, this is good. Oh my god, he has a flamethrower. Oh my god, he has so many pets. He's probably playing this game for a long time. So y'all know Flamingo. As you can see, I'm a fan of him. I'm new to YouTube, but like, I know how to do this. To get views, you just do hilarious stuff. But at the same time, I don't want to. I want to be myself. But being hilarious. Myself. Okay, I got some money. What do? I have no idea what to do. I want, like, to get, more of this. I don't know how to tell that. What is it? Upgrade. Upgrade how much grass I can mow with this cheap mower thingy. I could buy this, but like, wait, I could buy that. Wait a second, wait, I'm good. So, wait, okay, no, I don't want to buy mowers. What is this? Basic mower. I'm probably gonna buy it, but I have to upgrade this first. I need to upgrade the pad. What? That is so much money. I'll go with speed. I'm broke again. Okay, my speed has got faster, but like, oh wow, I could mow a lot more grass. This is kind of boring. Wait, do I have to mow this? Oh, I have to collect flowers? Oh wow, that's actually pretty cool. But like, it's not the same flower though. Oh my gosh. I spent money on nothing. Oh my god, look at how much I'm mowing and like how much I'm supposed to. Flower collector, guys. I actually like this game. It's pretty satisfying how it moves like so quickly. Oh, wait. This is all go away. Especially when you do this. Yes. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love that. Okay, about to mow the whole entire thing. Yo, I look disgusting. I know. I have a double check on that. Wait, what is those? Am I supposed to like unlock those or something? What is that? Can I? Oh no, I'm gonna do all my stuff. I don't understand this much, but like I understand a little bit. Like, oh, should I sell it now? It's actually taking forever. Oh my god, these flower spawning sounds are like so satisfying. Higher tire. What does that mean? Taking all these stupid flowers. Yeah, I'm gonna probably sell now. Wait, how do I buy pets? Oh my god, help. Boom, okay. I was glitching. I was lagging. This is very laggy. Tell me why. Oh my god, this is so laggy. But I still love this game. It's not that satisfying because it's laggy, but like, still a pretty satisfying game. I would play this like with my mom's phone. Oh wait, did that flower? Oh. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna order Emma. Let's buy a mower. Okay, I could buy the basic mower. How much is this one? 13k. Are you serious? Oh wait, it mows a little bit more, but I don't really know. Oh my gosh, I wanted to sneeze so badly, but wait, already? Oh, is this not like, oh goodness, oh my god, 4k. I'm making money. I wish this was actually a real job and like I actually got a lot of money for that. I love this game so much. So basically, I started this YouTube channel and it's like inspired by something. Also, I just try games and also, honestly, oh hi girl. I don't know. I don't know what I'm inspired by, but like, I'm tired too. What is that? I don't know. I have question marks on it, so I'm curious, dude. Already? Oh my god. This is like, oh my god, dude. Wow, I love this game so much. I like doing this better than I actually normally know. Ooh, oh my gosh, that was... Is that a flower right there? Oh, I love those. Oh, okay. Okay, wait, so I got 12k, I need 1k to buy a better mower. But, ow, my hand hurts. Oh my gosh. What do I do with flowers? Wait, I don't know what to do with pets. Just like the pet? I don't know, I'm loading. I don't understand this game enough. Is that a Roblox race? Oh, ew. I'm gonna moan you happily. Okay, tire 62 plus. It's so freaking hard to get. Okay, wait, I'm gonna go to the better mower. Oh my god, what are these? I could buy it all. Wait, how much is Roblox is that? Oh wait, I bought it. Oh wait, it's 31k. Oh my god. Dude, how much is this now? Oh, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go to the upgrades. Probably make my speed better. Because I don't really know why. I feel like I'm a very quiet YouTuber, but like I still talk a lot. Oh, I don't have 13k. I'm so sorry. What is range? I know, but I bought it. Wait, what? What just happened? What is range? Oh. Well, okay. I really know what to do. Oh, my bag is full. I will basically end this video with a hippity hoppity. What does that even mean? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Royal High Roleplay is coming soon, but we're still working on some ideas, me and my friends, of course. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, subscribe because I'm really new and I need support. And yeah, if you like one more, try and favorite that game. Bye.